So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download Godot Game Engine. So in order to download Godot, go to www.godotengine.org, link in the description, and click download. Another option, you can download Godot from Steam. In Steam you will get automatic updates, but also you will download all the demo projects, templates, and you will get only the standard version. So this isn't for me. Let's go back to godotengine.org. Click download and the website should automatically detect your operating system. I use Windows. And here it is. Now we have a choice whether we want the standard or mono version. Standard version does not support C#. I use CD script, so the standard is good enough. All tutorials in this channel are in CD script and most of the Godot tutorials. But if you want a mono version, then 32-bit mono do not run on 64-bit Windows systems. Make sure to export 64-bit mono for your 64-bit target platforms. Let's go back to godotengine.org, click download. Open download folder. And extract the file. Click to open. First thing, click New Project. Name your project as you wish. In my case, I'm going to call it Movement. Then choose where you store it so you can easily find it later. Click Create Folder. Click OK and it's open. If you enjoyed today's episode, then smash that like button and hit subscribe for more Godot tutorials.